vlog to go Roblox. I wish I have many subscribers but can't have video.
What's the ka?
Yeah. So when I am in my
Vlogs.
yeah, Roblox.
Roblox.
My cousin just say she never played Roblox.
Okay, look like.
That's me. Oh, I forgot she's just 2 or 6 or 7. 6, 7. Just follow my profile so you can add me. Wait, anyways guys, I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Anyways guys, I'm gonna use these 2 types. So I'm using a computer. Oh my gosh! Oh wait. Can we go inside? Oh my gosh! I just got inside. I forgot. I forgot this game because it's just 10. Because I was just 6. No, I'm 7. I'm 7. Bro, it's so hard. I don't want to use the ladder. If you say that, I'm gonna ban you in Roblox. Stop saying that. I'm gonna hate you. I'm not using the ladder because you bitch. I'm joking, guys. Are you okay? Wait, so guys, I wish there's no trolling people behind me. Because some of these people just go to my back and slap me. Gonna finish this. You guys,
Don't miss out on the viral Dove Serum Bars. For more radiant and healthy looking skin, Dove. Purchase unless you have permission.
so guys,
share that my first graphic novel, Good Mouse, is now out. Oh, I got a fancy place.
guys, anyways, if you want to watch my TikToks,
Go to play. They try to help. But there are no boats for you to capture before they try someone else. Who needs boats? Who needs a tail? Looks like I got someone's eye. Now I can catch it.
I'm gonna show you my secret. I'm gonna give away 1,000 Robux. Millions of subscribers.
Oh, am I born? Does that mean I get parents?
Oh,
I wonder what parents are gonna be. What the? Huh? What is this? Where am I? Huh? Are you what?
I am the Demon King.
You're my
Dad. Okay, don't mind us, my cousin. She's just doing Oh my gosh, what the hell? What the hell?
Yes, I was just bored. Is this dancing? I don't know. I'm a baby.
The murderer just killed someone. I wish
Baby too.
she didn't kill me. What the hell? Hello! Palo the people! Oh no! Yay! I win!
Whatever. It's fine.
Yay, Ate Leon! Baby, come
Smells
on!
so good. See? Oh, chicken nuggets? I don't know what that is, but it's delicious. Oh, what the? Hey! Stop, stupid bird! Wait, wait, give it back! That's mine! I told Diz I'm hungry! What? I'm grown up? I'm grown up more. Dumb bird! Try to take my chicken nuggets. Seriously. Dad, you're back!
I'm not your dad.
If you're not my dad, then I don't need to actually listen to you.
What? If you do, watch this.
Wait! I got a leash! I'm not a dog! I'm not a leash kid! I got a leash!
Why am I keep winning?
Because that was my sir. You're not
I want ipin.
Leave me alone!
Rubbish.
Really? Okay.
I have better things to do as the Demon King. I'll get you next time.
Wow. Okay. Then you promised leave me alone, right?
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant.
Good.
But I already said I was. Come on out here.
I don't know. I just don't know things. Wait, you're the toy that I had in that bag! Oh my gosh, Kid! We have a Buc-ee's fan! What's your name? You
So I'm
will?
not gonna show my knife. First, if you're a murderer, don't show knife in the shower. So you can never die.
Target, but a good target, like a really awesome. Oh my god! This is amazing! So soft! Staying here forever. Hey, quit drilling on this bucket, kid. Oh, sorry. I love the couch. It's nice. Work to do. What? Work? Oh, if you want me to cook, clean, I can do work too. You guys can like full evil stepmother. I love that couch.
But then there's more people. Oh my gosh, I went.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see. Let's see. It's a concert. Cute.
Oh, these guys are the best fans in the world.
No, they're demons.
Ready for an encore? Come on.
Bro, somebody's calling.
Oh, you know we can do that.
They're demons.
I'm sheriff.
You're in for it now. My moms are gonna kick your butt.
I hate to say this, but
Bro, how did they not get? Oh, I think I should. This sheriff died.
fans, it doesn't look good. Also, we're ready to play.
Heck no.
Member to your laundry.
Wow. That was good.
That's not cool. You can't say that. You can't do that. So, I expect that from you.
Yeah, you're for demon.
That comment doesn't represent us, okay? You don't need any more members, so you can be on your way, okay?
Okay, Dad.